Hello again, everyone. So in this video, we initialized a back and forth conversation between the client, which is the React app, and the server, and we learned what promises are, and we said that promises help us if you want to get our response back from the server, whether it was a fetch or anything else. We need a response back saying that what happened with our fetch, and even after then, when we introduce a database. With our backend, we want to see if our data has been correctly placed in the database and so on. Okay, so we need a kind of a response back from the server. Okay, so if you do recall two videos backwards, I mentioned something about Axios, which is a library in React that helps us fetch to the server. It does the same functionality as fetch, but it differs in some ways. So it might be a little easier. So I'm going to start if you want teaching you about Axios. Okay, so Axios is a library, as I said, in React that helps us communicate with the server instead of fetch. So they do the same things specifically. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna delete this fetch, but I am going only to copy paste this endpoint. So because we are going to use it. Okay, so first of all, I need you to stop your React app and type in npm I Axios. That means install Axios and then press enter. When it's done, start your React app again. That should not be hard for you. Have done this 100 of times. And to see if Axios has been successfully downloaded. As for in the dependencies, you go to the package.json of your React app. You search in the dependencies and you can see that Axios has been already successfully downloaded. Okay, so first of all, I need to import Axios from Axios. So you need to get this this Axios here to check that it has successfully downloaded, and then I'm gonna use this Axios object, and I'm gonna say Axios.post to the endpoint, and then simply I'm going to send val and then number. Okay, so we do not need a body, a headers, or whatever. Okay, and let me add in a then. We're getting a response, and then I'm gonna console.log my response. Okay, so I'm not gonna change anything from the back end. It stays the same. I'm going only change in the front end. So I'm gonna save that, go back to our React app, and let me inspect element console.log. Let us try 22, and we can see that we have this big object. Okay, and we can see here that we have this key data that has our if you want answer into it. So if I want the specific data, okay, so I can console.log response.data, and then I save, I go back. Let me try 33, and now I can see answer is odd. So they specifically do the same thing. Axios is much easier, so it saves you from adding headers or posts or whatever, but each of them has their own advantages and disadvantages. Okay, so that was a short video introducing Axios.post with promises. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to add your questions on the comment section, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.